Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mind of a revolutionary thinker whose ideas shook the foundations of society and continue to spark debates around the globe. Karl Marx. His ideas have shaped politics, economics, and society as we know it. But who was he and what did he really believe? Karl Heinrich Marx was born on May 5, 1818, in Trier, Germany. Coming from a relatively well-off family, he had access to a good education. He studied law, history, and philosophy at university, which laid the groundwork for his revolutionary ideas. During his studies, he became interested in the ideas of German philosophers like Hegel and Feuerbach, which would later influence his own theories. But as he delved deeper into philosophy, Marx became increasingly concerned about social injustice and economic inequality. In 1843, he married his childhood sweetheart, Jenny von Westphalen. They would go on to have 7 children, although only 3 survived to adulthood, a poignant detail that reflects the hardships they faced. Marx began his career as a journalist, writing for radical publications, but his revolutionary views often landed him in trouble with authorities, forcing him to flee Germany. This set the stage for his most famous work. In 1848, Marx teamed up with Friedrich Engels to publish the Communist Manifesto. This powerful pamphlet argued that history is a struggle between the ruling class, the bourgeoisie, and the working class, the proletariat. Marx believed that capitalism inherently exploited workers, and that the only solution was a revolutionary overthrow of the capitalist system. He called for workers of the world to unite, emphasizing that they had nothing to lose but their chains. Following the manifesto, Marx published Das Kapital in 1867. This work explored the capitalist mode of production and its effects on labor, productivity, and economic development. It's dense, but its core idea is revolutionary. Capitalism, in its quest for profit, creates inequality and exploitation. Marx introduced concepts like surplus value, the difference between what workers are paid and the value they create, arguing this is the root of capitalist exploitation. His analysis still influences economics today. Marx's ideas sparked revolutions and inspired political movements worldwide. From the Russian Revolution to the rise of socialist parties in Europe, his influence is undeniable. But his legacy is complex. While many laud Marx for highlighting social inequalities, critics point to the failures of Marxist regimes and the authoritarianism that sometimes followed. The debate continues to this day. Can Marx's ideas be adapted to modern society? Karl Marx died on March 14, 1883, but his ideas remain relevant. His call for social justice and a fairer distribution of wealth resonates as strongly now as it did in his time.